The Fourth Amendment is the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrant shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized.
Miss, excuse me, why aren't you in school?
I just got to school. I'm about to walk into class,
Can you step out of your car for a second, please?
Why? Why? You need to go in my car. I don't have any drugs or anything. Everything's fine.
Well, I never said anything about drugs. I just need to search your car now.
You can't. Don't you need to have a warrant?
No, actually, under the Fourth Amendment, I have probable cause, so that means I can search your car.
Under the Fourth Amendment, a police officer can search a car without a warrant if there is probable cause. A landmark Fourth Amendment case known as New Jersey v. TLO dealt with the authority of school officials to search students' possessions at school. In New Jersey High School, a teacher found two girls smoking in the bathroom and took them to the principal's office. One girl admitted to smoking, but the other, known as TLO, denied it. The principal demanded to see the girl's purse and found evidence that she was selling marijuana at school. TLO was taken to the police station where she admitted to selling marijuana.
So, I heard that you were smoking cigarettes in the bathroom. Is that true?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, your friend said you guys were smoking cigarettes in the bathroom.
It's not true. I don't know who my friend is or what she's saying. But...
Well, I think that means I can search your bag.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you
I'm the
can't.
school administrator.
No,
I can
you
search your
can't.
bag. Here. Oh, would you looky? Here's some cigarettes and some rolling paper. How do you explain this, huh? Exactly. Oh, and rolling paper is used for marijuana. Let's take a look. Oh, would you look here? What do I have?
Oregano?
No, it's marijuana. This is not legal to have in school. Do you understand? I am taking you to court.
Based on her confession and the evidence in her purse, the state of New Jersey brought charges against her. In a juvenile court, TLO argued that her Fourth Amendment rights against unreasonable searches and seizures had been violated. The court sided with the school, and TLO took her case to the New Jersey Supreme Court, which later found that the search was unreasonable and the evidence could not be used. The state of New Jersey appealed the decision to the United States Supreme Court. In 1985, the Supreme Court, by a 6-3 margin, ruled that New Jersey and the school had met a reasonableness standard for conducting such searches at school. The High Court said school administrators don't need to have a search warrant or probable cause before conducting a search because students have a reduced expectation of privacy when in school.
The question in the case is whether or not the exclusionary rule applies to searches conducted by school officials in public schools. Originally, the trial court found her guilty and said that the exclusionary rule does not apply. The appellate court agreed with the decision, but the New Jersey Supreme Court said the exclusionary rule of the Fourth Amendment applies to searches and seizures conducted by school officials. But the Supreme Court decided on a 6-3 decision that the exclusionary rule does not apply, and that while the Fourth Amendment's prohibition on unreasonable searches and seizures applies to public school officials, they may conduct reasonable warrantless searches of students because it's different in school conditions.
Guilty.